Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to draw a BMW M2. First, let's lay down the basic structure. Start by lightly sketching a long, low rectangle for the main body. This will help us establish the car's overall length and width. Then, add two smaller rectangles for the wheel wells, ensuring they are evenly spaced. This foundational step is crucial for getting the proportions just right before we add any details. Now, let's bring out the M2's unique character. Begin to define the car's muscular body lines, focusing on the aggressive side profile and the sleek roofline. Carefully sketch the prominent fender flares and the sculpted side skirts. These details are key to capturing the M2's powerful stance. Remember to keep your lines light at first, allowing for easy adjustments as you refine the shape. Moving to the front and rear, let's add those unmistakable BMW M2 features. Carefully draw the signature kidney grille, ensuring its correct size and placement. Then, sketch the sharp, focused headlights and the aggressive front bumper with its prominent air intakes. At the rear, detail the distinctive taillights, the sporty diffuser, and the quad exhaust pipes. These elements truly define the M2's powerful aesthetic. For our final steps, it's time to bring your drawing to life. Carefully erase any visible construction lines and refine all your outlines, making them crisp and clean. Now, apply shading to add depth and dimension, paying attention to how light hits the car's surfaces to create realistic reflections and shadows. This step truly makes the M2 pop off the page. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.